Kling AI just upgraded its Elements feature. Now you can create AI video scenes with multiple consistent characters. Keep everything consistent from objects and garments to environments. For example, I can take this image of Albert Einstein and add an image of Marilyn Monroe, and now they are together. And Kling Elements can also be used to create viral content you saw on social media. Let me show you how this works. You can access this feature under the Image to Video option and under the Elements tab. You will already see a new label next to the Elements showing that it's an upgraded version. You can upload up to 4 different images to serve as elements for your AI video scene. Let me start by adding a character, a location, and object. I'm going to upload the image of this granny, and Kling AI will automatically scan the image I uploaded, and I can choose either automatically the image itself fully, or I can select an element within this image. For example, I can choose subject, and this will automatically select the subject, so I can use this as a consistent character. I can just choose face and actually drop the rest of the clothing and costume. I can just choose costume, which gives me quite a lot of creativity and flexibility. Or I can go manual, meaning that I can choose a specific item from the image itself, that maybe I just want the necklace to be used. Or you can just rely on basics and choose the subject. I hit confirm. Now I'm going to upload a location to place this granny in. Here will be my location. I hit upload. I'm selecting auto as reference area because I want the whole image to be a location reference. I hit confirm. And lastly, I'm going to choose an object. I want Granny to be holding this Louis Vuitton bag. I can choose subject here, and this will automatically select the bag, hit confirm, and I keep the prompt simple, Granny holding a bag, sitting in a luxury car with a pink interior. And you can scroll down. You can simply generate the video with automatic sound effects from Kling. After that, you can scroll down, and now we have the sound effects option that we can automatically add sound effects to our videos. Since it's all about Granny sitting in a car seat, I won't add sound effects for now. You can of course change aspect ratio. If you need a story format, you can use 9:16, and I hit generate. And it will give you this output. You see that the location and the bag she's holding, the character herself looks extremely consistent, and it is exactly as our uploaded reference images. Of course, we can make this character speak. For this, all you need to do is choosing lip syncing option, and this will open lip syncing user interface of Kling. It's very easy to use. You can choose either a text-to-speech or upload a local dubbing. They have many different options, so in this case, I'm going to choose a female. It's also quite cool because you can see the faces of these voices, which allows you to make a choice much more easier. So Miss Prattle here looks a little bit older than the others, and I'm looking for an older voice, so I'm gonna choose Prattle. And I wrote, girls don't date narcissistic men, trust your instincts. I'm gonna hit on add speech, and speech file is already added here. You can specify timing of the start of lip sync, and you will hit generate. And this output will come out.
Girls don't date narcissistic men. Trust your instincts.
It's pretty awesome. In the next example, I use a location reference again with a reference of a cat, tiger, and a trampoline. I wrote the prompt, small cat and big tiger jumping on a trampoline, having fun in a rural forest area, and camera is stationary. And this time I also wanted to test sound effect option from Kling to automatically add sound effects to my video generation, and I hit generate. And this was the end result. The sound effects are automatically added. My cat, my tiger, and the location additional to blue trampoline looks extremely consistent. Here it's very important that you add some cues for the model, like small cat and bigger tiger. This helps the model quite a lot to ensure that scale and sizes are correct. In this next example, I'm gonna take advantage of Kling Elements' multiple character consistency feature. Here I uploaded 3 characters, Iron Man, Spider-Man, and Hulk, and additionally a backdrop of a modern office location. And I wrote Iron Man, Hulk, and Spider-Man are hanging out together in the office. And this was the end result. It did a pretty decent job by distinctively rendering the consistent characters with their consistent clothing and everything. It's just only here with the Spider-Man there was a slight issue, but besides that, location, the office, and characters look quite good. In the next example, I uploaded an office water place, Batman and Joker together. Again, using auto-reference feature and manual referencing feature, I choose Batman in this image as a subject reference. Here in this image, I choose Joker specifically as a subject using Kling AI selection tool. And I wrote, Batman is struggling with the office water machine and getting angry, while Joker with makeup on his face is laughing at him. I specified Joker with makeup on his face to give some clues to the model, to distinctively separate which character is doing what. If you are clear with your prompting, things will be much more smoother. And this was the end result. In the next example, I had a location, Darth Vader as my subject, and the safety vest as a costume reference. And I wrote Darth Vader wearing a safety vest working as an airport security employee. And this was the result. I was very impressed by this because it really made Darth Vader wear the safety vest and it perfectly rendered the location. It looks very consistent. It's a cool shot. Here I selected this monsterish looking dog, this creepy alien looking figure, and you can see that location is quite different here actually, but I choose them as subject references. And as a prompt I wrote alien and his monster pet walks into the frame and look at the camera while camera is stationary. Creepy found footage. This was the end result. It brought my character from that image, from a completely different context to this rural area and added the monster pet next to him. And they look pretty consistent to the original reference images. By the way, actually this location is a real location. I took this screenshot using Google Maps Street View, and then I removed some of these user interface elements and I gave this to Kling as a location reference. And this gives an additional power to you. You can totally use these real locations in your AI video narratives. By the way, if you are enjoying this, please subscribe to the channel and turn the notification bell on. Now let me show you how you can leverage Kling AI's new upgraded elements feature to create premium looking advertising. Here I uploaded a premium water brand called Quadriga. It has an ice-like looking glass container of the premium water brand. I also uploaded my female model as a subject. And I would like to change her dress. For this, I'm going to upload a new dress for her. I'm thinking this butterfly-like looking dress. I'm going to upload this. Kling analyze the image, and I'm going to choose costume. And look how perfectly, almost pixel perfect, that Kling was able to detect the costume itself and rest of the elements in the image are not selected. I confirm. I also want a modern, fresh looking, nice background for this video, so I'm going to upload this particular backdrop to make it look almost like a fashion photo shooting. So I'm uploading this image. And I wrote close-up product advertising shot. She's showing the premium water container to the camera and takes a sip while camera circles around her. Let's make this 9:16 for story format. And I have sound effects on and I hit generate. Let's look at the results. It gives us pretty interesting product ads, perfect for social media. Our subject is now wearing the butterfly dress and she's in the professional studio where we placed her. Additionally, she is holding the Quadriga product. You will realize that thanks to improved text rendering, the product brand in the bottle looks much better. So looking at the summary and my conclusion is, the Kling AI's Elements upgrade is a significant leap forward for AI filmmaking and AI ad making, enabling new possibilities for narratives centered around consistent characters, animals, objects, and clothing due to improved subject consistency, significantly enhanced motion quality, and notable visual quality upgrades. Now you can buy Kling annual membership with 10% off. Don't forget to check the link in the description. Hopefully this video was truly helpful. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth tutorials. If you want to learn more about future of storytelling,